Hello everybody, Valiant Customs, I'm Steve. This video is going to be, basically I'm going to finish taping up the cab. I'm going to spray my last build up primer, get that all smoothed out, and then after that I'll shoot some sealer on it and fix the corner on this bed, or the roll pan, and just get those ready. And then after that I'm going to go ahead and tape off the cab. And when I got the cab taped off, I'm probably going to end the video with priming the cab, because I've already got it sanded. I already got, you know, the body work done and everything. Now it's just basically cleaning it off, taping it up, primering it, and then we can move on from there. So I kind of forgot where I was at on the video, because I bought a project that I recorded and sent out just a couple days ago or a week ago. So I kind of skipped around on my videos. I lost my spot. I lost some footage. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started on this, and hopefully we can get this all in primer by the end of the video. Thanks for sticking around. Please like and subscribe. I bought some of this stuff on Amazon, so we'll see how this is, but this is the tape and the plastic for masking everything off. So I'll go ahead and start getting this done, and I'll let you know if I like it or not, or how it does, and things like that. Figured I'd try putting this first piece on with you guys in live mode, so we can kind of see how it goes together. Because I've never used this stuff, and I always just use newspapers. Too bad. Give her a little cut here and see how she does. And all the pro painters, all the professional painters, if you guys have any advice that you could share in the comments for myself and others, it would be appreciated. Well, it already looks like I cut it wrong. Imagine that. actually a little longer than what I thought it was going to be too. There's that. Okay. All right, so that's the film I'm using. I'm gonna go ahead and fix this up, and then I'll mask off the rest of the stuff. I want to mask this off, or cover the engine compartment and everything, and then I'll be back. Well, I got windshield somewhat taped up. The sides got film and tape on them. The back has film and tape on them. I went all the way down on the sides like that. And then I haven't got the full engine compartment covered yet, but I will. And that's the part that I'm stuck at with the windshield, because I ran out of tape. So I think I'm done for tonight. And I'll go get some tape tomorrow and get this finished up, and hopefully get her sprayed and primered, or sprayed and primed tomorrow, and then start the body work this weekend, or the sanding. So today we're gonna wipe down the truck and go ahead and put some primer on it. Battery's dead on the camera, so I can't put you in hyperdrive. So I'm gonna go ahead and just record it, and if I can, I'll put it in hyperdrive on the laptop and do it that way. If not, sorry, it might be a little while. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started on this, get this thing in primer. don't know what happened. My technology ignorance, I guess, I'm a little upset with myself. Somehow I had 4 clips of video and 2 of them uploaded. I was able to edit. The other 2 just won't do it it just won't do it. No matter what I've done or do. I've tried for 4 days now, trying to get it to upload onto my laptop. Can't seem to get it to go. So I guess I'm just gonna show you the end result. And hopefully with each video, I'll get better and better. I mean, this is a learning experience. I'm just having fun, unless things like this happen, but I am just having fun doing it and everything. And I hope you are enjoying also watching it. But here we go. This is what I've got done on the truck now. I did go ahead and put the fender on just to see what it would look like and everything. It's not it's not bolted. It's got it's got 3 bolts on top holding it on. That's it. I just wanted to see what it looked like. So that's what I got. And both sides are done. The back's done. Fender's done. The mirrors, I went ahead and, like I said, I went ahead and scuffed those and primed them as well. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and leave this video here like this. And I'm not sure when I'll get this painted, because I went and got a quote for paint, and it was quite expensive, or at least right now at this time, because this is a 2-tone truck. The color, I wanted the original burgundy color, and that burgundy color is kind of expensive because it's got a red tint in it or whatever. I'm looking at about $900 just in painting or paint and clear for this. So this might be sitting on the back burner for a little bit, which means I'm going to end up working on 62. Yay, we can't wait to get on that. Or I'm going to be working on my new project, my 54 International. And then I also got another kind of new project. It's not new, but I mean, I've had it, but I haven't started getting parts till last week for it, which is a 78 Chevy pickup. So those, unfortunately, this one might be getting set on the back burner. But I will, if I end up putting the bed back on it and trying to get it all done up, or, you know, but in one color of gray, and then I might put a video out on that. So I want to thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, sorry for all the, you know, all the back and forth and everything else. Again, I'm really trying to work on my technical skills with the video editing and the cameras, and now my phone. I'm looking for a new camera, not sure what kind I want to get. So again, please stick with me. Please subscribe. Please comment, like, and let's see. Thank you, and God bless. And I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.